what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end.
I think they're just sitting there now waiting for it. Free meal. Come on. I got you. I got you. Got a little bit loose. Feels like it almost got some size, but I don't think so. Bigger than the first one, though. Let's say 15. What do you think? I got to know. Let's see. Nah, that's not even worth measuring. That's exactly why I got these things tethered. I'd lose them already. All right. Go home. Just try to rip it off. Boy, that feels like a good one. Come on, give me more than that. That time I got you. That time I got you. I'll let you go. I don't know what we got. Yeah, you got enough. You probably got to keep on that. But first one of the day. Gotta take a bit. You really almost got off. All right. Here we go. He was running with the Sleeper. Oh, we're checking. I think he's like 15 and change. Not that little. I got that one. I got that one. It's frustrating. But look, just sitting there chewing. And pull up on the second. He's getting everything. I got you. That should be rough. Well, yeah, I think so. And the other one was, I think it's bigger than the other one. Let's see. Let's see. Too close though. Too close. Didn't look like a hill out here. was flooded with the sleeper. Oh, we're checking. He's like 15 and change. Oh, he's a keeper. I'd like to know. At this pace, put him in there if he's some size. Hey. Oh, he is. Close now. Oh, come on. He's might be. Let's see. He's just missing it. Like, realistically, he might make it. I gotta break across here. The only reason why I say that is it's a little slow. Oh yeah, he makes it. He makes it. Sorry. I thought you were going home. I ain't killing you. Definitely ain't killing you. Gotcha. Let's see. That's why you do it. Pain in the ass. Gotcha. Yeah, little guy. I can tell. Yeah, little guy. I don't know, I should. Was that 18 inch? I should make 19 inch. Like that. Like, no. It's weird. I got you. Oh, gee, puppy. Definitely worth checking. I don't need to keep it, but I bet you it just misses. Getting some. Yeah, a lot of small, but a few. What do you guys think?
Stripers last night.
Over here?
Yeah.
Really? Good size? Or?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Nice.
That's what you guys are going
Water fishing.
Yeah, Tautog. I went for stripes this morning down in Seacock River.
Yeah,
It was loaded, but then it died
really.
9 o'clock. Last week it was crazy.
Striper?
Stripers, yeah. Crazy, crazy.
Makes the boat slow down. I think so.
No, Seacock, last week was good. Today was okay. I must have caught a half a dozen down there. And I talked to the guys down there. They say, out to hit or miss, you can catch a day and you catch 40 of them.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, they're jumping like all over the place.
Right.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Sure. Like you have sonar on that thing?
Radar, yeah. So, yeah.
I gotta get it this one next year.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you ought to catch.
Fishing there, a little cold.
I've never tried it.
Okay.
Yeah, you ought to try taking that too. That'll go good in there because it gets shallow
Yeah.
in Seacock River. I got you. That should be rough. You got a good rough. Oh yeah, I think so. And the other one was, I think it's bigger than the other one. Let's see. Let's see. You're gonna make it. Let's see. Ah. Might be on with just 60. Let's see. I think it'll be another 86. Not that. It's so close. You're just like the other one. Too close, though. Too close. You look like you did a lot of beating.